Vodafone Australia Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Vodafone plans and deals are in the description. Vodafone Australia is one of the major mobile operators, competing with Telstra and Optus. It offers a range of prepaid and postpaid plans, focusing on affordability, international inclusions, and decent coverage in metro areas. Network coverage is strong in cities but weaker in rural areas compared to Telstra. 5G is available in select locations with expanding coverage. Speeds are solid, but congestion can affect performance in peak hours. Plans are flexible, with no lock-in contracts, data banking, and international call options, making it a good choice for travelers and budget-conscious users. Vodafone's $5 roaming is a standout feature, allowing affordable international roaming in 100-plus countries. Customer service has mixed reviews, with support available online, via app, and in stores. The My Vodafone app provides easy bill management and data tracking. Compared to Telstra, Vodafone is cheaper, but with less rural coverage. Compared to Optus, it's similar in price, but offers better international perks. If you mainly stay in metro areas and need international benefits, Vodafone is a solid option. However, if you need the best coverage in regional Australia, Telstra is a better choice. Overall, Vodafone Australia delivers good value for money, especially for urban users and frequent travelers. If this review helped, check the links in the description for Vodafone's latest offers.